So next task will go. And I say here anywhere you have doubts, please unmute yourself, stop me, and get your doubts clarified. Okay. You can change the size of markers by passing a third input. See, the scatter command takes two inputs x comma y. There is one more input x comma y comma z. We can keep it as z. That z will refer to the marker size. So what we are saying, see here. So the plotting and all is fine. Change the marker size to 100. I'm going to copy the same code. I'm going to paste it here. Additionally, what I'm going to do, comma 100. I'm going to increase the marker size to 100. Now I am going to run only this particular section of the code. Run section. You see the difference in the size? It is you see the area of the circle. Here it is very, very small. Here it is going to be relatively big. And you see the graph is the same. Only thing, the circle size is changed. But otherwise, the graph is going to be the same x versus y. Okay. I'll submit the answer. Yes. It is correct. We'll go to the next task. Now see, you can also pass a fourth argument which will indicate the color of your circle. That is also possible in MATLAB. The color of the circle. So here, they in the task you see, they have asked us to plot the same Australia versus German price, and they have asked us to use the red marker, and size is 50. Okay, so I'm going to copy the same code. What change I'm going to do? I'm going to change this from 100 to 50, comma, and I'm going to use the option for red. And other things are going to be same. Sorry for the typographical error. It is Germany. My spelling is wrong. And change it everywhere. Now I'm going to run this particular code. So what should the output you should get? The size of the circles will be reduced because previously it was 100. Now we have changed to 50. And the color of the circles will be red. So we'll see if, by running this code if we get that or not. Yes, how beautiful the plot looks like. Small circles of red color, circumference is red in color. The plot is going to be same. We'll submit and see whether the answer is correct. It should be correct because we got the answer right. Yes. Next task you see, we have you can provide a vector as a fourth input to specify different colors for each marker. So you see here, so suppose if we give scatter Australia, comma, Germany, comma, 30, comma, year. We'll see this and see what happens if we give this command. Scatter of Australia, comma, Germany, comma, 30, comma, year. So if we run this section, you can see different colored plots you will get. You can see the color, different colored plots you will get. Because the year will be carrying that vector to identify different colors. Okay, and last option, see here, year comma filled. If you want to fill the circles to look the plot to look very good, see the command is automatically coming. I am not typing. I am typing filled. Okay, this will fill your circles with the color. Okay, this will fill your circles. We'll run the output and see. This is looking very good, right? The circles are filled. The circles are hollow. The plot is not complete. I feel this last plot is visually it's looking good because circles are filled with different colors. The colors are not same, so the colors are depending on the value of the vector here. Okay, so we have finished this external further practice task also. So we'll go to the next section. So summary is we have seen how to use all these commands. Scatter is the last thing we have seen. We have used temp, stats, area, plot in the previous sections. Okay, I think this is the first module in today's talk. So how to see the different, how to use the different plot commands available in MATLAB. So for a complete list of all the plots, they have given a link here. This link will go to the MATLAB help section where you can see the complete list of commands available for plotting. Okay, so I'm not